This is a video review of the Combi Lite 3-in-1 massage bed bought from Massage Warehouse. As you can see, it's a nice solid massage bed. It's some sort of, I'm not sure if it's not leather, it's, what do they call it? Oh, I don't remember. It's a leather-like material, but it really feels kind of like leather, which is nice. I think they call it vinyl. It's got a full backrest, which you can sit and rest against, so like that, for example, and it folds back down very easily. It has a hole, of course, for your face. It can go down, massage, you can put it there. It also has an optional external headrest, which you plug in at the front here. That's actually under the bed. It's very convenient because all the storage is under here. So you've got these this additional headrest, and there's a stand for it which you can clip on at the front, which is very good. And I like the fact that you've got this extra bit which you can put in to cover the hole, so it actually feels like a solid massage bed. That's one of the differences that I liked. There's these extra armrests rather, which you can slot in here if you're using this hole for your head, or at the front if you're using that hole for your head, and it's better when you're massaging wider people, such as myself, for example. I bought this massage bed as a present for my wife. She doesn't do massage, she actually works as a doctor, but I massage her sometimes, and the present was a massage bed and a massage, so that works out pretty well. And yeah, I mean, not much more to say. We've been very impressed with it. It's very solid. The material is quite thick. It's very, very comfortable. In fact, I've been using it as a bed to just sort of lie down on, and I think we're going to use it as a sun bed as well, if the sun ever comes back out in the summer. We've been extremely happy with it. We've had it for about a week, and it's well worth buying. It also folds up very, very easily. It's very light to carry around. I think it weighs about 15 kilos or so, but it's very easy to store it up and put it away. We can keep it in the utility room back there, and it doesn't really take up any space at all. So that's my review. Massage Warehouse were brilliant. I ordered the bed, so I had ordered from Amazon a different bed, which was supposed to turn up during the week before her birthday. Her birthday was on Sunday. And it didn't turn up, and I was panicking, so I phoned them up and they said, "Oh, sorry, we've had some problems with supply, we can't deliver until next week." So I phoned Massage Warehouse on Friday morning, and they were able to organise a Saturday delivery for me. I ordered, I think, at 11:45 on Friday morning, and on Saturday at around 9:30 or so the massage bed was here, and it was in time for the birthday, so I can't say anything but good things about their service. Been very impressed. So that's my review of the Combi Lite 3-in-1. Thank you.